till this point. Okay, I used here multiple associations. I used this. Now till this point, I'm saving it, activating. Just we test it, guys. Whenever you create a CDS, okay, whenever you create a CDS, don't combine at the time at a time all 100 things into your thing. Go by step, because you cannot debug the CDS. First thing is you cannot debug the CDS. You done 10 joins and you are getting some unnecessary data, or you are not getting the data as per your requirement. Then again it is very difficult to go by table. Just what you need to do is, okay, I need to create a CDS on top of 5 tables. Okay, first table, get the data required fields, test it working. Join the second table, test it. Join the third table, test it. Join the fourth table. Like this, go by step. Whenever you're creating a CDS, you may be expert, doesn't matter, because tracing of issue in the CDS is very difficult. Okay, so that's the reason. Please go by step. Activated. Now just executing for this, making sure it is working as expected. Yep, it's working as expected. So these are all things which are being displayed. Okay, output is coming, and you can validate if things are want. You can validate with your sales order. Copy this sales order number, go to VS03. Don't compare with tables. VS03, how do you do regular testing? Okay, do the testing with that. Okay, fine. Now here till this point I'm good. We discussed about these 3 annotations. We know what is the purpose. We have going to use annotation. Now I have material. I want material text too. I required even material text. Yes, obviously, without material will be there. Without material text, nobody accepts it in a real life. Okay. Now here, there is an annotation called with I_material. Okay. See here, guys. If you observe in this particular CDS, there are 2 associations referring to the same CDS, I_material. It has both different alias, but the projection, the linkage it has made is based on different field. The linkage is made by different field. Now here projection is I_material. Here underscore material is this particular I_material as material space based on material. Here it has been based on original requested material, nothing but customer material. It is relation based on customer material, but we are interested in this particular thing. We are interested in I_material of material. Now I'm going to here, guys. Now see here. Sales item dot material association name, which is referring to I_material dot. I'm going to specify material text. Okay. Now see here, guys. Sorry, just a minute. Okay. Now I_material. Now here, if I go here, wait a minute. Okay, fine. I_material. Now see here, it is on top of Mara table. Mara will not have text, guys. It will be text table. See here, it is relating to I_material text as text. Okay, if I go into this, I will get a text. It is top on MAKT. It is top on MAKT. Again, it is creating a relation to my I_material. Doesn't matter here. We doesn't care of it. So finally, I want to reach to this particular CDS with for required. This is my required field, material name. I need to reach to this CDS with this particular required for this particular field name. Okay. Now, okay. So people first to do this, what they do is they get just confused, guys. They will do just confused. Okay. What and simply they will create their own associations. Okay. They will create their own associations. I'm just showing that also, guys. Association. First, I'll go with an simplified form pattern how people do it. Okay, 1 to 1. Okay, 2 I_material standards. Sorry, I_material text, material or material text. That's fine. Material as this material. So material text, guys. I underscore material text. This is a standard CDS, guys. This is a standard CDS for MAKT. MAKT, material text we have seen. Okay. Now on specify as MAT material text. Material text as material text on. I'm going to specify material text. Okay. Material text dot material should be equal to, okay, sorry guys, here again, just we already discussed, but still I'm repeating the same, should be equal to this followed by dot material. Sales document item dot material. This is the thing, we done it. Okay, we already know it. This is unexpected word association 1-to-1, 2 dots. Okay, so fine, this is the sales document item still. So it is to take refresh. It has to refresh. Fine, no problem. Now see here, material text dot material equal to sales item referring to material. I'm linking this particular field. But as I said, whenever you refer to the association, instead of referring to the alias name of the CDS, refer to the fields of the output list. Refer to the fields of the output list. Already output list as a material field. Simply use, instead of this, I am specifying dollar projection followed by the name of the field. The field which you specify here should be part of your output list. The field which you specify here should be part of your output list. Same guys. I mean, instead of referring to here, I'm referring to here. From where it is coming? This here it is coming from here. And okay, and I'm going to specify material text dot, okay, language, because text table will have language related to multiple fields. Okay, so equal to dollar session system language, dollar session system language. That's it. Now I created a relation of association. Simply what I'll do, material text followed by material name. I'm going to get material name so no need of specifying as, because referring to the standard. Now simply, since I used association, I'll project it. Material text, always a best criteria. Material text. That's it, guys. This is the simplified way of writing. Okay, if you are more confused of using this particular thing, then simplified way of writing. People do like this. Okay, till this point, hope it is clear. Nothing we have written new. Yes or no, guys? Any questions on this till this point? Nothing new as of now. Okay. Right. Now see here, guys. I'm coming to this. I'm just keeping this as it is. I'm going to create another CDS with reference to this. Okay. I'm showing a property of association. Okay, now I am not using this annotation, guys, only for just, okay, simply, okay, I know to access associations to multiple levels, but now I underscore sales document, sales item dot material underscore material dot material text followed by material name. Followed by material name means, what is sales spelling mistake? 1 minute. Okay, sorry. Now sales item, this is my basic series. From this navigate to material, I underscore material. From this go to material text and get this particular material name. That is my requirement. Okay, now see here, this is my material text. Okay, from this particular CDS, I underscores, this is not required now. Let me remove this for now. I underscore sales document. From this, navigate to this material, association material. In this material, go to the text. Go to the text, which is of type association, which is of type text. Material text is represented as text. Now, simply I'm specifying text. Text followed by, in this I'm getting the material name. Get the material name. Till this point, save and activate. Is it clear this point, guys? Any questions on this? Till this point, any questions? Okay, now see here, guys. Just closing some unwanted tabs, guys. Now, if you execute this, the output will be different. See here, guys. I'll just show. Okay, there is a material. Okay, let me sort the document. Okay, see here, 10, 20, fine, 11, 10, 30, 40, 50, 500. Okay, 100, 300, 400, 500, something number of items. The material is coming, all these details, and material text should also come. Okay, sales document, that is fine, created by user. I'm getting a material followed by material name, material followed by material. That's good. Okay, now I execute the same CDS. You'll see the difference in the output. Now see here, let me sort the item. See here, 11. Okay, some take this, some other things left to which. See here, the item 10, sales document 10, item 10, item 10, 20, 20. Again repeating, guys. See here, based on the key, there should be only one record. Sales document item will be only one record. How can it repeat? See here, 2, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 10. Whereas here, if you go here, in the other series which we written with the association, 1 as 10, 1, 20. There is no repetition in this. What made difference, guys? Any guess? What made difference to us? This. Any guess, guys? This is the CDS which we created, and we created an association to this I underscore material text, and we are getting the text. But here, in the second, another CDS, I created this and I used a material and text from the association, which is a part of standard CDS. Now, here, when you see the output, both has different guys. Basically, when you created here association, material you linked and you created language also. So it is getting only one language. Yes or no?
Yes.
But in this particular CDS, which you are creating, it has created to material I underscore material. That is good. And it is linking to I underscore material. See here, I underscore material, and I underscore material is linked to I underscore material text. Till this point, good. But here, I underscore material text is linked only based on the material, not mean it has not used a key of language. It has not used a key of language. So what happens? It gets all the languages. That is what happening in your requirement. See here, for 101, there are 2. It is getting language. It is getting, see here, language, different language texts, different language text. Understood now, guys?
Mr. Walker has a history of violence.
So, hello? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how to restrict this? Then how to restrict this? That's the reason. See here, it has clearly specified zeros to star. It can have multiple records based on the material. Based on material, it can have, may not, doesn't matter. It can have or may not. It can have multiple records because I underscore material text is a key, has a material and language. Now you are referring with only single key in this particular association. Wherever I use this association, there is a probability of getting multiple records. Multiple records. Apart from this, I need to specify my own key. Now see here, guys, I'm going to specify at runtime. At runtime, I'm going to specify a key. That is the beauty of association. People will confuse to use this functionality. Simply they use our traditional way of writing. This is a traditional way of writing. Okay, now I'm using same, but I'm Now understand this concept. Applying a condition at the runtime, at the field level, applying a condition at the runtime, only possible for associations, only possible for association. Okay. Now, okay, first, this level from, it's taking time again. Okay, from this level, I went into I underscore material. From I underscore material, I went into I underscore material text. Okay, in the I underscore material text, I have material and language. I need to filter based on the language. I need to filter based on the language. Now, I need to apply filter on which condition? On the this particular I underscore text. Okay, because here from this particular to sales document to material, it is a direct. Okay, it will have only one material, I underscore material, it will have only one material in the Mara table. From Mara to it is using to MAKT. It is a shop I underscore material. Now it has multiple records. Now I will apply here condition, guys, at the field level. Now at the runtime to this particular CDS, nothing but I underscore material text, which is referring to this. Okay, nothing but you are applying a condition on this association. Condition on this association. Already standard created a relation with based on material, which is created by standard. You cannot overwrite. Additional to that, you can apply one more condition, but not, you cannot overwrite the existing one. Already material relation is made. I cannot say material XYZ, another material one field. I cannot do that. You can overwrite, you can add additional condition to that, but not, you can overwrite it, guys. Okay, now simply I'm using here to this text, already material relation is there. On top of that, use this condition, square brackets, guys, open the square brackets. Okay, 1 colon, okay, 1 colon, nothing but condition number 1. See here, what happens is here it has made relation of 0 to star, 0 to star, multiple. Okay, for a material there can be 1 star. Now here I specified 1 there in my CDS, becomes nothing but star becomes 1, means there can be only one relation with this particular key. Existing material plus this particular key, there will be only one relation, that is assumed. Now followed by language, nothing but the field from this particular CDS. Okay, followed by language. Okay, followed by language from this field on which CDS you are applying condition, guys. Followed by language. Okay, equal to $session dot $session.system language. I'm applying at the runtime, guys. And applying at the runtime $session at the system language. Okay, I'm applying condition $session at the rate of system language. Now this is the field of this particular association. If you go here, material text, this is the field, this is the field language. I'm applying on this particular thing at the runtime. Now saving it, activating it. Likewise, you can apply, guys, only possible in the associations, only possible in the associations. You can apply at which level you want. You can apply this level. Okay, you can apply this level additional to the existing conditions of the CDS which they specify. You cannot overwrite. Okay, any questions on this? Any confusion?
Yeah, it's a beauty.
Clear or not?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, guys, this is the main thing, guys. You will see regularly people doesn't understand. Specifically, I'm stressing this because people may not aware of this. So that's the reason, again, they write in traditional way and lengthy way of writing CDS. Okay, like this, they start again doing it. It becomes simply lengthy, guys. And there are some features you can only achieve using this, guys. You can achieve only using this. Okay, now saving it and activating it. Now your output will be same as previous one. Now see here, just sort it. 1, 10, 20. No repetition, no repetition. Same thing, doesn't matter. There you specified at the runtime I applied a condition. Why to use again my CDS, which is standard is using? Already part of this, why to unnecessary use it? We have a flexibility of applying condition at the runtime. Yes or no? Anyone has any questions on this?
Is it the mandatory to mention that association 1 star 1 other something? Can I make it directly language default?
Yes, you can pass it. Yes, yes. Here, this one language equal to that, this you can specify. Only you will get warning. That's it. Okay, language equal to this, because to which field you are specifying, you need to specify it, right? Condition. And here one colon represents for based on this particular combination, it is 1-to-1 relation. Already material relation is made. Plus this, there will be only one record, 1-to-1, just making as like only one record will exist. Warning to avoid that
relationship. Any impact, right?
Sorry, if I relieve this, nothing impact. Only you'll get warning. You'll get only warning.
Oh, what is that warning message?
Cardinality. That's it. Okay, association text can be modified the cardinality of the result. That's it. Doesn't matter. Okay. Even your output doesn't matter any difference. You specified all the things.
If let's suppose assume the multiple entries will be there. Let's assume if I'm making this kind of filters, I have the multiple for one record. I may have multiple entries. Let's assume. Then on that case, if I don't mention this cardinality n something whatever it is, then the system will take care of those, or how it was.
That's what in regular CDS. Cardinality doesn't matter. Okay. You specify, if for example for your combination there are 10 records, you specify year 1 or n, doesn't matter, all 10 records will get. Okay, it impacts when you use as a part of a party, as a part of any third party systems, or if you're using any of your regular select, there it will impact. Okay. Any questions?
If you mention the cardinality, so it will improve any performance, like while searching.
Yes. Performance wise, yes, it impacts. Performance wise, it's definitely going to impact.
Yes, if you mention the cardinality, it will fetch only the. I mean, it search for one record. So it will
one
not
record.
search for linear search like.
Basically, what happens is its cardinality is to understanding of language for the CDS. Okay, even though, for example, I have with this combination material and language, I have 2 records. Even though I specify 1 year, doesn't matter. It gets 2 records. Okay. So basically, this impacts whenever you are using as a part of regular selects. There you will get a chances of duplications if you specify wrong cardinality. So accordingly, we'll need to just adjust that cardinality. That's it. Any questions on this till this point? Associations, applying conditions on the associations?
No.
Okay, likewise, you can apply n number of things, guys. Okay, for example, this sales document type. Okay, I'm going to use this associate. Here, there is a sales document type. Just I'm showing one more condition, guys. It may be similar, but just I want to show you. Okay, here, let's see. Sales document type. Okay, it has a sales document type. It is referring to, let's see what I. Is VBAPPO. No, I don't want to use this. I want to use AURT. Just a minute. Okay, sales document type, which is part of this. I_sales document. I am referring to this. Okay, here it is referring to sales document type, where it is. Yeah, this is my I_sales document type. Let's see, is there any associations referring to this? Yep, there is some associations referring to this. Okay, now if I go to this basic type, it is inherited from the parent, this particular CDS. Okay, now if I search it, yep, it is referring to I_sales document, where you can get the text case. Now see here. Here it has a text relation where you can get the sales document text or other fields of that. Now see here, I'm just using here multiple levels and top of the text. Okay, I_sales item dot sales document followed by, I'm going to specify here underscore sales document type association, sales document type dot, again, I'm going to refer the text of that particular association. Here I'm going to apply the condition to get only specific language, okay, and followed by, I'm going to specify the field which I require from that particular sales document text, sales document type name, I want to get this particular field. That's it, comma, activate. See here how many levels I went. First level to second level to third level to fourth level. On the fourth level, I applied a condition. If you want to apply here itself, you can apply, guys. That's your wish. Wherever you want it, association level, you can apply the condition. That doesn't matter. Okay. Finally, on the fourth level, I applied a condition and active. Now, simply execute it. It doesn't matter. Output will remain same. You are getting only document type. That's it. Okay. Understood the concept of associations and using a conditions at the runtime, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any confusion in this? Any confusion? Accessing of CDS with multiple levels? Hope it's clear, right?
Yeah, here we are accessing the runtime variables, right? I mean, standard variables.
Not standard fields. Yeah, you're using standard fields. At the time of accessing, there are a couple of CDS, which, for example, text CDS. With my key, there may be multiple records. Okay, apart from the standard.
Yeah, this is fine. We are using this where condition system variable.
Yes.
So here we can use the hardcode conditions as well, right?
Yes.
So instead of that, is there any, like, because if you want to fetch some data based on some TVR variables or like that?
Then
so
you need to do again your joins. You need to do a join.
Okay, we need to do the
Okay, if it is part of some other table, for example, I'm using system variable right here. Okay, for example, this language is part of this particular CDS example, which is inherited. I can use that field here. I can use that field at the runtime. You understood?
Yeah.
Whatever the field, it may be I'm using a system variable. It should, here you can use any field which is part of your base tables which you use here. Okay, any field from the CDS or anything. If you are using inner join TVRC and join the TVRC here also, you can use it. Okay.
No.
You can use your $TVR and directly you can specify the association and TVRC name. TVRC followed by this. For example, just giving an, okay, I'm using let's use inner join, or I'll use left outer join. And don't, whenever you're using condition, use inner join, just I'm showing you TVRC. Okay, as something variable. Okay, on, and there is no condition, just I can specify this and just to show you this variable, and followed by based on what field you want to use, that you can use it here. Okay, dot this. If record exists, it will get it. Otherwise, it will not get it. That's it. Okay, association acts like a left outer join. If record found, it will get it. Otherwise, it will not get it. Okay, you can pass an hard coded value also. Anything. I want language equal to DE XYZ, only this language hard coded. That's your wish. Same thing. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions? Any questions
No.
on this till this point?
No question.
Okay.
Yes.
Fine, guys. I think today we already crossed the time. So let's continue day after tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow we'll be taking an off. Okay. Sure.
Okay. Yeah.
So we'll continue day after tomorrow, and slowly we'll go to the field level annotations. Slowly we'll take it one level to up, and we'll continue with the reporting until we reach the reportings. Okay.
Okay.
Fine, guys. Thank you. Let's meet day after tomorrow.